everyone. Welcome back to English Explained. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Thanks for joining us again for another episode of English in Daily Life.
Today, we're talking about something fun and personal. Hobbies.
Yeah! Hobbies are one of the best topics to talk about when you're getting to know someone.
Exactly. Everyone has something they love to do in their free time, whether it's painting, cooking, gardening, or just watching movies.
So in this episode, we'll practice how to talk about your hobbies in English, share some natural expressions, and learn how to keep the conversation going.
We'll also give examples of real conversations, just like native speakers do.
Sounds great. Let's get started.
So, Jack, what are your hobbies?
I'd say my main hobby is photography. I love taking pictures of nature, especially during sunrise or sunset.
Oh, that's beautiful. You've shown me some of your photos before. They're amazing.
Thanks. Photography helps me relax. It's like capturing little moments in time.
That's such a poetic way to say it. For me, I love reading. I could spend hours with a good book.
Nice. What kind of books do you usually read?
Mostly fiction. I like stories that take me to another world, but sometimes I also enjoy self-development books.
That's cool. Reading is a great hobby. It improves your vocabulary and imagination.
Exactly. And what about you? How did you get into photography?
Actually, it started when I was in college. I borrowed my friend's camera for a school project, and I got hooked.
Wow. So it started as an assignment and turned into a passion.
Pretty much. What about you? When did you start reading seriously?
During high school, I was a shy kid, so books were my escape. They made me feel connected to people and stories from around the world.
That's a great way to look at it. So, if someone asks, "What's your hobby?" how would you answer naturally?
I'd say something like, I really enjoy reading books in my free time. It helps me relax and learn new things.
Perfect. And I might say, "I love photography. I often go out on weekends to take pictures of landscapes and city life."
You can also add details to make your answer sound more natural. For example, I've been reading for years. It's something I do almost every day before going to bed.
Exactly. Adding details makes your English sound more fluent and personal.
Right. Instead of giving short answers like, I like music, try to expand it. I love listening to different types of music, especially jazz and lo-fi beats. It helps me focus while working.
That's a great tip.
Let's talk about the different types of hobbies.
Sure. Some people have creative hobbies, like painting, drawing, writing, or playing an instrument.
Others enjoy physical hobbies, like running, swimming, yoga, or hiking.
Then there are social hobbies, such as dancing, playing sports with friends, or volunteering.
And don't forget relaxing hobbies. Things like watching movies, gardening, or even cooking.
Yeah, cooking is definitely one of mine.
Really? What's your favorite thing to cook?
Probably pasta. It's simple, but you can get creative with it.
That's true. I love baking. Cupcakes, brownies, you name it.
Yum! I wish I could bake like you.
Now, let's teach our listeners some natural ways to ask about hobbies.
Good idea. You can ask, "What do you like to do in your free time? How do you usually spend your weekends? Do you have any hobbies? What are you passionate about?"
Perfect. And here's how you can reply. I usually spend my weekends painting. I'm really into hiking lately. I've been learning guitar for a few months. I love playing badminton with my friends.
Notice how these answers sound more natural than just saying, "I like sports."
Exactly. Use I'm into, I love, I enjoy, or I've been learning. These phrases make your English sound real and conversational.
Okay, let's imagine we just met. I'll start. "Hey Emma, what do you do for fun?"
I really enjoy reading and baking. What about you?
"I'm into photography. I like going out early in the morning to take pictures."
Oh, that's awesome. What kind of photos do you usually take?
Mostly landscapes. Mountains, rivers, sunsets. Nature inspires me.
Nice. Have you ever displayed your photos anywhere?
Actually, yes. Last year, I joined a small exhibition at a local art gallery.
That's amazing. See, you're not just a hobbyist, you're an artist.
Maybe a part-time artist.
Hobbies are so important for mental health.
I agree. They help reduce stress and make life more enjoyable.
Right. When you do something you love, it gives you energy and purpose.
Exactly. For example, after a long day of work, taking photos helps me recharge.
And for me, reading helps me calm down. It's like meditation.
That's so true. Even small hobbies, like listening to music or journaling, can make a big difference.
And they can also help you connect with others.
Yeah! You can join clubs, meet new people, and share your interests.
Hobbies are also a great way to learn English.
Oh, totally. For example, if you like watching movies, try watching them in English with subtitles.
Or if you enjoy reading, read short English stories or articles about your favorite topic.
Exactly. That way, you're learning naturally, while doing something you love.
That's the best kind of learning.
And you can even talk about your hobby in English communities online, like on Reddit or Facebook groups.
Good idea. That's how you practice real conversation.
Emma, have you noticed how hobbies vary around the world?
Yes. For example, in Japan, people love origami and calligraphy.
Right. And in Europe, many people enjoy cycling or hiking in nature.
In the US, outdoor hobbies like camping and fishing are really popular.
And in South Asia, people love playing cricket, singing and cooking together.
It's amazing how hobbies reflect a country's culture.
Totally. You can learn a lot about people by asking what they love to do.
Let's review some useful vocabulary from today's episode.
Sure. Hobby. Something you enjoy doing in your free time. I'm interested in, or I like free time. Time when you're not busy. Relax, to rest and feel calm. Creative. Using imagination or original ideas. Passion. Something you really care about. Exhibition. A public display of art or work recharge. To rest and gain energy again.
Perfect. And remember, try to use these words in your daily conversations.
So Emma, if you could try a new hobby, what would it be?
Maybe playing guitar. I've always wanted to learn an instrument.
That's a great choice. For me, maybe painting. I think it would be relaxing.
We should start together. A new hobby challenge.
Deal!
All right, everyone. What about you? What's your hobby? Tell us in the comments below. We'd love to know.
And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel English Explained, and hit the bell icon for more fun English conversation lessons.
See you next time, and remember, learning English is easier when you make it part of your daily life.
Exactly. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and enjoy your hobbies.
Bye, everyone.